Hello everybody, and today we are going to add a set of stairs to the front of our house because as we can see here that it's a little high from the elevation view or the surrounding topography. If we get a chance, we'll also add a driveway and a sidewalk. So in order to do this, we go to the floor plan Habitat for Humanity site view, make sure that we have in our section view. Now we go to our section view and we can see here that this is the level of the house where the door is, and this is the ground. We need to know the approximate height that this is going to be at. So I'm going to go to annotate. I'm going to draw in a detail line, any line, doesn't matter. I'm going to go a little bit below the surface and draw my line in. There it is, green line. I'm now going to go to annotate, get an aligned dimension from the base of the door to here. That dimension is 2 feet 1 inches. We're close enough to it. So I need to know that dimension so I can make stairs from there. So 2 feet 1 inches. Remember that. Your number may be a little bit different. I'm just going to cancel this, delete that. So about 2 feet. I'm then going to go for my Habitat for Humanity site. Come in over here. Now I got my windows and my doors located right over here. What I'm going to do is going to go to architecture, stair. Type of stair I'm going to use an assembled stair for this. My base level is level 1. I'm going to go down negative 2 feet 1 inches. My top level is level 1 as well, and no top offset. Notice now it tells me that it's going to give me 4 stairs. I'm going to come over to here. I'm going to change my run width to be whatever I want. I think it's default 3 or 4 feet. I'm doing 8 feet, so I got a nice wide little landing area. It doesn't have to be connected to the house yet. I'm going to click, draw towards the house. Notice it's got 4 stairs created. It says 4 risers over 2 feet 9 inches. Click. Then I'm going to go to landing, and I'm going to create a sketch. I'm going to go to a rectangle, go up to that corner, over, and it kind of snaps to it. So I got about 8 feet. Let's zoom out so I can see how far. I got about 4 or 5. I'll do 5 feet. I'm going to lock this into place. So that's what it is. And click the check marks. Those are my stairs. Go to your 3D view. Tweaking out. There they are there. And if I hit the check mark again, it adds the railing. So those are my stairs. Click on the railing. Go to edit path. Delete there. Delete there. And that little one. Hit the check mark. That's the one railing. Now what we're going to do is we're going to mirror that onto the other side so we have the railing. Double click on it. Oops, sorry. Hit the mark. Go back to your stairs. Oh, sorry. Double click on the railing in your Habitat for Humanity view. Mirror. Let's do this differently. I'm going to hit the check mark. Okay. In the Habitat for Humanity view, select the railing, mirror, cross that axis. It appears on the other side. There we go. Sorry about that little hiccup. Go to your 3D view. There it is. Now we're going to bring this to the house. Back to that view, the floor plan view. I'm going to go to, let's go to architecture. I'm going to click on my stairs. I'm going to go to align. I'm going to pick the front of the house to align with the back of the stairs. I'll lock it, hit escape, and there it is. Those are the stairs leading up. Now notice that this right here is just at the surface. So I have a step pretty low to the ground there. We could adjust that and we can fix it. If we click on the stairs, we might be able to change our base offset. So if we go change our base offset to maybe 2 feet, apply, and you can see it brings it up a little bit, and we can continue to do that. So maybe we could change. You may get an error code at some point. So if I go 1 feet 10 inches, so let's go like that, hit apply. There we go. So that adjusted a little bit so that step. So now you can continue doing that. It may get to an error because now all of a sudden you may see that you need an extra step or delete a step. But this is basically how you get a very simple railing in. My railing comes up to the windows here. It's not ideal, but it's very basic. I would save it at this point. And if it's low enough, you technically don't need a railing, but whatever, we'll deal with that at a different point. Okay, so now let's add in some sort of driveway and some sort of walkway to get to the front of our house. So to do this, we're gonna go sub-region, and we will add in a driveway. I'm gonna have it come to here. You can be more exact if you like. I'm gonna do a rectangle. I'm just gonna do a real easy one. Now, notice that over here, if I go a little bit further or back, that this dotted line appears. We need to basically come up to that dotted line. I'm gonna come over, let's go 20 feet. So I should be able to fit 2 cars in. It's 80 feet. I'm gonna click. Check mark. There it is. Go to that surface. I can click on it. Let's see here. Material. I'm just gonna do a concrete driveway. So I'm gonna type in concrete. Cast in place. Use render appearance. Hit OK. OK. It's fine. Zoom out. Now I have a concrete driveway. Over here, we have a slight issue only because of the way the sidewalk in the file is. Otherwise, generally wouldn't get. This is fine. We could attempt to try to fix this by actually editing this boundary right here. So if we look at this from the top, we should be able to edit this boundary if you really, really wanted to. If not, not a big deal. Basically, we could delete this line, come in, draw a line from here, zoom in, there. It may give us an issue with overlap. Let's see what happens. Hit the check mark. There you have it. All right. So now we just basically got rid of the that little thing. The line there is no big deal. And the same with the topographic line right there. Those are not concerning me right now. Now let's add in. I'm not going to go all the way to here. I'm actually going to add in a region that goes from my step to the driveway. So same thing. I'm going to go sub-region. All right. And let's go here. We could do it easy. You could do this with an arc if you want. I'm going to draw a line. So we got that. Let's go from the top view. It might actually be easier. All right. So let's zoom in. See how well this works out. Like that. We could do it straight if we want. There. If I want a 6-foot walkway, let's go 7 just because the number appeared. And here, let's zoom in. All right, so there we have it. Now you could do it rounded, so I'm gonna just click on that surface category. I'm gonna do concrete with that as well. Cast in place, okay. Same default message before. So now I have the walkway going to and from my driveway. We can make this a little bit fancier. Let's do that. I'm gonna edit the boundary. I'm gonna go to that top view again. Since now I already have it, I'm going to click on this line. Let's bring it up. I'll have a curve in. So it gives it a slight curve. And then I can go from there to this other line, wherever it is. Let's just delete that line, draw a straight line in. Now it's got a little bit of curve to it. You can do the same over here. I'm just showing you how you can do it. And that is it. So now we do have walkway and also driveway. All right, so that is it. Hope you enjoyed this video and have a great day. Bye.